And so this is where being a programmer is extremely empowering. And I'd like to start first by banishing the myth of the programmer. Because what the technocrats have done, what the geek power structure has done, is in any type of jargonistic way, try to exclude people from the identity. Try to say, well, you're not a programmer unless you can do C++. Or you're not a geek unless you can, hack Linux and do a BGP configuration in a Cisco router. And it's a type of machismo. It's a type of bragging that I suspect many of you have encountered with some of these Uber nerds. And certainly in the corporate world, and this may be true in your own experience, it's often the IT department. Right? And the IT department I often refer to as the Dr. No. Right? They're the people who you have a great idea and they'll tell you no. For reasons of licensing, for reasons of security, for reasons of this. And that's why it's important to have that programmer's perspective. And as someone who works in the media, I'm familiar with the notion of a radio programmer, a television programmer, someone who creates content. Every teacher is a programmer. They program curriculum. They program classes. Just because you're not writing code doesn't mean you're not a programmer. HTML is arguably the easiest computer language to learn, and if you know 5 tags, you're a programmer. So it strikes me that it's worthwhile embracing Rushkoff's push, his challenge, that we should all see ourselves as programmers. Because his fear is that if we don't make software, we'll be the software.